In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google Sites. If you've already created a site in Google Sites, you're halfway there. A theme controls your site's overall look and feel. Things like fonts, colors, and default styling for headings, buttons, and navigation. Updating the theme is a quick way to give your site a cohesive, professional appearance without redesigning each page. Start inside your site's editor on the main canvas where you can see your page content. This is the central area where you add text, images, and sections. On the right side of the editor, you'll see the panel that houses your building tools. Near the top of that panel are three tabs: Insert, Pages, and Themes. Click Themes. This opens a gallery of preset designs curated by Google Sites. Each theme is built to keep your pages consistent, so when you switch themes, your styling updates across the entire site automatically. Take a moment to browse through the available options. As you click on a theme, you'll see an instant preview on your canvas. This live preview makes it easy to evaluate how your headings, body text, and sections adapt without committing to anything permanent. Within each theme, you can usually pick from several color palettes and font styles. Try a couple of variations to find a combination that supports your content and matches your brand or project. Look closely at readability. Check the contrast between text and background, make sure links are clearly visible, and confirm that headings stand out enough to structure your page. As you browse, think about the tone you want to set. Some themes feel clean and minimal, while others add more personality. If your site includes images or charts, choose a theme and color palette that doesn't compete with those visuals. After you land on a favorite, keep clicking through a few pages in your site to make sure it looks good everywhere, not just on the home page. If something feels off, simply select another theme and compare. Switching is instant and safe to try. Your changes save automatically to your draft in the editor. You can preview the site to see how it appears to visitors and on different screen sizes. When you're satisfied, continue editing your content, knowing the theme will keep your design consistent across new pages and sections. And that's it. By opening the Themes panel on the right and browsing the presets, you can quickly transform the look of your Google site with just a few clicks.